Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I certainly appreciate y'all are here. I always appreciate all the support that y'all give me. Today, guys, we're going to be cleaning up an old USA made camp knife. I think this was made by Camillus for the military during the World War II era. Notice there's no brass, and its only mark is made in USA. But this knife was given to me by Mr. Warren Lindsay, a subscriber of mine. Dude,
I've got
made in USA.
several of these. I didn't know if you wanted those or
We'll
not.
clean this up. It's got bone handles, and you notice the old can opener here. This knife's just in great shape. I've been wanting to get to this knife to clean it up, and today is the day. I'm gonna clean this knife up along with this little Boy Scout knife here. I'm gonna clean it up as well. And you can tell this tip here is right above the handle, and I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna work on this knife, and this the tip's gonna be below the handle there. You can see it's barely up. I'm gonna give this one a good cleaning as well. I picked this one up at the Georgia Bushcraft Gathering. What's the best you can do on this one here?
I go $10 on it.
All right, I'll take it. You can see it's a Camillus, and it's a Boy Scout of America. I say this one's from the 60s, maybe the early 70s, but we're gonna clean this one up and clean this one up too. We're gonna give them an initial cleaning with this fabric wheel here. I just noticed this blade has a pretty good wobble in it too. I'm gonna try to tap this pin. If that don't work, I might have to change this pin out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change this pin out here. I'm not happy with it at all. That popped off. You still got the pin in there. It's a little bent. Alright, got the bolster. It come off. Main blade is out. And bottle opener. Fit to give this a good cleaning now. Okay, I got the bolster pop back on. It just pops in there. I'm gonna hit it with a wire brush real quick. Alright, we got them cleaned up. Now, got to put the blades back in place. And the reason you put these points on here, because the holes don't line up because the spring is up, it's pushing the blade up. You gotta stick this in there, fish around till you find that hole on this main blade. Alright, we got that one in. Now we gotta get this one in. What I like to do is put that pin on that side and fish around for this hole. See, pry down, and voila, got the pin in there, see? I don't think we're gonna get no snap back, but So right now we're fixing to make a head up here, a mushroom head. Pull that down till it stops there. Cut this off, then make a head over here and get it tight. Not too tight, but tight enough. All right. I think that looks good. Oh yeah. See that? Now I gotta cut this side off just long enough to make a head over here. See it right there? That'll give me enough for a little head right there. Alright, pins come out really good. I'm getting pretty good at hiding them. Little divot right there. But I'm gonna polish these up real quick. Alright, we got it cleaned up pretty good. I ain't done with it yet. See the brass? I gotta wipe it down, but right now I'm gonna spray the oil in there. Yeah, there's still a bunch of surface rust down here right around the locks. I want to get the blade locks, you know, like these here. And there's still a bunch of just crud everywhere on this knife. Fixing to polish this one up, clean it up real good. You can tell it's pretty nasty in there. Nasty. Get the wire brush and get all that gook out. Big difference. Looks good, don't it? Okay, spray it down now. You know what's going to happen when I get these two done, right? I'm going to carry them. I am going to carry these jokers for a while. And I go along the sides of these blades because you can tell there's rust right there. I just hit that right there. Alright, time for Never Dull. It's a good little knife right here now. Get cleaned up like a champ. New pen. Beautiful knives. Okay, here they are, guys. First, this is the Boy Scout of America knife. We replaced that pin because it was just too loose. But it's good to go now. See there? No wobble. No wobble whatsoever. And it's sharp. It don't have any snap in the blade, but it didn't have no snap when we just had a pin stuck in there, so that tells me the spring is probably wore out or bent. But it's a good knife. That lock works good now. And this punch blade, I had to redo that tip a little bit. I think it was broke at one time. See, that lock works good too. Move it over that way. But them bolsters cleaned up nice. After I even did that, I even ground that down some so to hide that point right there. It's a good looking knife. Pretty. But check that blade out. Made in the USA. Good snap. Old can opener. Hear that snap? Bottle opener. Flat tip screwdriver. That had snap too. And this, of course, is the punch blade. It's got good snap too. It's a good knife. Bone handle. No brass. Again, I think this was made during World War II by Camillus for the military. That's just my thought. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments below. But they are a lot better shape than when I found them. Believe that. I'm fixing to put this in my pocket right now and carry it for a long time. This one here I'm just going to put up. And it's a good little knife. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed working on these knives. It's what I love to do. It's what I live to do. And I just want to tell y'all have a good rest of your day. God bless y'all. And until we meet again, be like a good knife. Stay sharp.